Welcome, welcome. Right this way, my friends. Come closer, come closer. A brand new flight crew. Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. Now get the move on, and know that I have complete faith in you.
For
but
your safety,
I am coming
remain
along.
seated and supervise younglings. Por favor, permanezcan sentados y cuide a los niños. Gracias.
I'm so excited. Seatbelts on the side, everyone buckle up. And then just put on the yellow top for me. Put on that yellow top.
All right now, time is money.
And press your flashing lights.
Engineers, automatic repair engaged. Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left, move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right, pull back on the stick to fly up and pull forward to fly down. Only
I'm sorry!
weapons are online. Left pilot, engine boosters. Now let's go get that coaxium.
Why am I
Right pilot,
flying?
make the jump to light speed.
What? Oh my god! Oh wait!
Yes, yes, keep shooting. Gunners, we need to defend ourselves. Open fire. There it is. After that train. Gunners, fire the harpoon.
I'm sorry, get up and down.
Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Power of the ship. Well, I gravity go axial. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Now, let's get another container of coaxium. Pilot, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car.
Okay.
Get behind the train. Gunners, fire the harpoon. Gunners, shoot the train. The cargo is breaking free. Keep shooting. My friends. Yes, yes, yes. We got the coaxium. I will grab it. You keep up to the train.
Sorry.
Gunch. That's ridiculous. Heads are getting too hot. Get out of here. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry. Star Destroyer is collapsing. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Boost, boost, boost. Look, we did not die. Let's get out of here.
That wasn't me. I can't steer left or right.
Yes, Chewie will pilot us remote. You retrieve 2 containers of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now after my modest profit, Your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is... Hey, not bad. All 5, damage report. Engine failure, all right. Hyperdrive leak, that is not too good. Multiple hull rushes, well, good. All right, I'm making an executive decision. Everybody out. Go on, get out.
All available techs, we have a Corellian freighter that needs immediate transport back to the maintenance bay. This thing's seen better days. Better fix all that before the Wookiee sees it.